I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of society. Though I was born a Hindu, I solemnly assure you that I will not die as a Hindu. Life should be great rather than long. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. Political tyranny is nothing compared to the social tyranny, and a reformer who defies society is a more courageous man than a politician who defies government. The history of India is nothing but a history of a mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahmanism. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. They cannot make history who forget history. Be educated, be organized, and be agitated. Indifferentism is the worst kind of disease that can affect people. Men are mortal. So are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise, both will wither and die. Constitutional morality is not a natural sentiment. It has to be cultivated. We must realize that our people have yet to learn it. Democracy in India is only a top dressing on an Indian soul which is essentially undemocratic. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. Equality may be a fiction, but nonetheless one must accept it as a governing principle. A bitter thing cannot be made sweet. The taste of anything can be changed. But poison cannot be changed into nectar. To my mind, there is no doubt that this Gandhi age is the dark age of India. It is an age in which people, instead of looking for their ideals in the future, are returning to antiquity.